everybody, Bekka here. Today I am at Goliad State Park, standing in the mission courtyard of the Mission Espírito Santa. Those that have been with me for a while know that I'm a little bit of a history geek as well, and what is important about this location and the other missions in the Goliad area that I'll take you to today is that it served a major role in the battles of Texas independence. But with that said, let's get started at taking a look at the plants that are in this area before I get sidetracked on the history of the area. So let's get started. Wow, this is a great year to get out and look for the wildflowers, and I don't even know where to begin on identifying all of the flowers that are out here, but let's see what we can get a hold of. Alright, that plant right there, the red flowers, that is a phlox, the Drummond phlox. We have the prairie cone flower right there. We have, that's the start, that plant right there, that's the start of horse mint or bee balm. Let's see, there's some more right over here to get a better view. Gotta find it. Oh, there you are. That's what it looks like. That right there is bee balm or horse mint. And over here, where'd you go? There we go, right there. That right there, Indian paintbrush. Prickly poppy. New plant on me, that one right there is the rounded copperleaf. Look at that. Never noticed her before. at Presidio La Baja. This is where the Texas fighters that stood against General Santa Anna and his army, and they all lost their lives for that stand. So there you go. You have your plant identification in Goliad, Texas, along with some Texas history. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up to let me know. Leave in the comment section what your favorite plant was that we identified today. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on!